Alright guys, it's finally Friday. Here we are on the balcony waiting for my students who are, some of them are down there. And some of them will show up in a while. At the beautiful Wabo Pagoda. Up on the balcony. I just found out Monday, this is Friday, I just found out Monday, my new classroom is going to be right over there, that building right there. It was a really nice thing they did. These stairs over this way, the second part going up, the stairs are really thin, and I have to turn my feet sideways to actually stand on the steps. Otherwise I don't get any grip or traction. So I gotta turn my feet sideways and kind of walk up sideways and grab onto the handrail going up, and especially going down because it's dark after we get done at night and I have to shut off all the lights and lock the doors. So you have to be careful. And the gentleman in charge of running the schools here and the classes, he said he would move me over there to the ground floor, so he was concerned that one day I might fall. Hopefully that wasn't a comment about my age, like, oh, you're so old, your bones are brittle. Because I'm fine getting up and down, but he just said I can move my classes on the ground floor. So that's what I shall do. Yeah. Just waiting for the okay, I guess we can go in now. Grab my coffee. All right, let's hit the lights. Get some fan action going. There we go. Back in the classroom again. Gotta remind Sang Lai to stop that. Anyway, she turns up the notifications when she's got the phone. Oh, fans are going pretty strong. I don't think I need them on that much. There we go. Turn those down a little bit. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I need to get ready and write some stuff on the board. And now it's Saturday. You can't tell, it's early morning Saturday. You can tell because of all the people down here at Sasamaki, the market. In the afternoon and evening, they close up. A lot of the food vendors, they're out of their food, so they close up pretty empty. But as you can tell, especially down that way, it's earlier in the morning. We're over here buying some pig parts and some other things. There's some Prohawk. I think I've talked about that before. It's a fermented fish paste. Goes in a lot of dishes. By itself, you don't want none of that. It is a foul, disgusting thing, even though, like I said, a lot of locals use it like a vegetable dip. They just dip their vegetables right in there and eat it raw. But inside other dishes, it's actually really good. Very good. Just gives a little bit of flavor to it. Got some grilled fish action going on. Thing about filming when it's busy is, of course, just like when you're walking, you have to watch out for foot traffic. And of course, when you're walking in the street, you have to watch out for traffic. But who doesn't like a good market? Well, not everybody. I know people who say, I don't like going to those markets. Too crowded and noisy. And some people will prefer the order of a regular supermarket. Yeah, the eggs here are not refrigerated. I mentioned that before, I think. But for you new people, they don't refrigerate the eggs here. You don't buy them by the dozen. They're all fresh, and you, as you can see, they got little stains on them because they come right from the chicken coop right down here to be sold. You buy however many you need in a day. Ooh. Looks like we got pig alley down here, pork alley. Yeah. That is a beautiful sight. All the way down there. Got pork. All the vegetables and fruits seem to be concentrated in that center aisle. Ooh, look how big this thing is compared to my coffee. Look at that. Wow. Got some good looking eggplants there. Bell peppers. We're going to make another cooking video for Senglai. And so I figured we'd come down here and grab some stuff. We haven't made one in a long time, but I was looking at her numbers and stats the other day, and well, let's face it, she's got better numbers than me in some areas, so yeah, might as well keep that going. It was just kind of hard with all my other channels and my writing. All kinds of fish there. Potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, onions, broccoli, ginger, cauliflower, cucumbers, they use, if you don't like bitterness, if you don't like bitter in your food, you should probably avoid, I believe it's these right here, these things right here. Oh, these things right here, actually. Not sure what they are, but they have a very, very bitter taste. And they can add flavor to soups. But if you take a big chunk and bite into it, it's a very bitter taste. I'm not real big on the bitter. Sour's okay, sweet's okay, savory's okay, bitter, not a big fan. But it can add some extra flavor to a dish if you don't take a big bite. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. And a Tuk Tuk ride back home. Now that the shopping is done. This Tuk Tuk driver said he would take us for the same price as a Pass app. And I like the Pass apps, like that little yellow one right there. That is a Pass app, because they are about half the price of a normal Tuk Tuk. But if I had a preference, I would probably just take a regular Tuk Tuk. Because they're much bigger, they're more open and spacious. With a Pass app, sometimes you feel like you're just kind of cramped in there. You got to bend over, especially if you're... So, I mean, the larger you are, the more cramped it's going to be for you. And as always, instead of going around the long way, they'll just go the wrong way down the highway to get to this little alley here, which is kind of like a shortcut to our apartment. Oh, we got the very bumpy ride coming up. This road is bad. Forget the Avenue of Broken Dreams. This is the Avenue of Broken Spleens. Back on solid ground. Of course, there's our apartment building. That's our apartment building. All right. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for this video. We got the groceries put away and everything. Just a quick reminder that all my links are down below. If you want a copy of my book, Live in Cambodia, a guide for living in the Kingdom of Wonder, you can find that link down below. If you want to donate to help support free education in Cambodia, it's always appreciated. We need as many donations as we can get to teach as many students as we can for free. Also, all my social media and links to other channels and all that good stuff are down below. So from the view of my balcony, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.